Welcome back to the beautiful Majestic Colonial Resort in Punta Cana. In this video, we'll do a room tour. I'll share with you a great transfer service. We'll show you the full beach lunch buffet. We'll go to the foam party and check out the nightly entertainment. So go get a Santo Libre or a cerveza and sit back, relax, and enjoy. Just made it to Punta Cana! Oh my god, it's so warm! If you can't wait to get to the resort, we've got a bar here.
Vacation.
So we walked right by it all the way out. So really using Renny Travel, they're right here. Alright, let's try this again. Hola. Buenas tardes. Wait. Oh shit. Alright, cheers, gang. Cheers. Now we just need the Dominican music. Gracias. I can't see through here. I'm gonna have to... Alright, just got dropped off. Huh? Yeah, I got our ticket. Okay, gracias. Hasta luego. Ciao. Alright, we just got to Majestic. Greeted with cold towels. I'll leave Renny Travel, the transfer company that we use to get here. And we're just about to check in. Gracias. I'm so excited, everybody. Alrighty, we just got to Majestic Colonial. So this is their like basic jacuzzi suite room. The toilet and then the shower in there. We got married here. It's really nice, and we were here in 2022 for a week visit. We are on the ground floor this time. I guess they're really, really high season, so we tried to get a similar room to what we had before with the pool, but there is beer, so we'll have to ask them for some water. But I kind of like the garden view. How do I open this door? That's nice. All right, where's Patricio? Yeah, it's a nice room. All right, so I believe it's 12:30 now. The lunch buffet is just opening, so I wanted to come in and get a shot of everything before everyone comes for a bite to eat. Hola. Yeah, people are coming in. The other day I had some of the beef over there was really good. A pasta station. Lots of chicken. Some more pasta. Some more pasta. The chicken looks great. Chips and salsa and cheese and chili over here. Some pizzas. Rice and beans. Grill here. So he's gonna be doing pork chops, chicken, beef, and condiments for burgers. Then got their salad stations over here. Chutney. Some juices over here, iced tea, I believe. Not a bad place to have a bite to eat. Now, let's go check out the foam party.
In a few minutes, we're going to start to our foam party. And it's impossible to start the party without yours. This is for yours, for you having a great...
Pay attention, but my English not very good. Pay attention. Looking. Listo, la gente mío. Ready. Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
So right next to the foam party, we've got this guy and he's teaching everybody how to make hats. This is so fun. What time is it? Like 5 o'clock? So this area here, they'll off 5:30, so they'll sometimes have entertainment here, some singing. People will come, hang out. And if you want, you can have a nice romantic dinner down there. Isn't that so cute? So we're just walking towards the lobby bar, just below the staircase. If you go to the left, you'll find the main entertainment area, and then there's going to be the discotheque and the snack bar. I'll show you guys that as well. I believe it'll start at 9. I'm not sure. And then if you go this way, you're gonna find the sports bar and the snack bars that's open, I think, until 5 a.m. Some facilities over here. Oh, I almost walked into the water. Over here you have Majestic. So it's their snack bar. They're gonna have burgers, chicken fingers, wings, fries, kind of like bar food. And then over here, you're gonna find the sports bar, which we're gonna go check out. I know that I have shown these areas in the previous video, but I wanted to share them with you at nighttime. I really wish I could have played the real audio, but I would have received a couple of copyright dings, so please insert Uptown Funk by Bruno Mars and Party Rock by LMFAO. I hope you enjoyed this video. Coming up in the next one will be the last from Majestic Colonial. I'll share with you one of my biggest travel tips. We'll go to the beach one last time, we'll have some drinks with some of our favorite bartenders, have dinner at the Japanese restaurant, and then dance the night away at the disco. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. See you guys in the next one.